Sa lahat ng mga dinanas natin, friendship, so alam naman natin na hindi madali yung naging journey natin. So, lagi na lang kung may problema, lagi na lang kung may issue. Pero, ginawa niyo pa rin proud kami, no? So, still consistent ng civil engineering as above national pass. Okay, so thank you so much po sa on behalf of CE family po. Okay? Amelia, Gabon Borloman, Halo. Bago po banggitin, so ito po yung aming top 6. Engineer Jar R.D. Santos Marasigan. Palakpakan po natin siya. Okay, so we make Engineer Luis Cielo Novero Molina.
Do solemnly swear to uphold the highest standards of the engineering profession as I enter this new chapter of service to the Filipino people. In this time of rapid change and national challenge, I pledge to practice my profession with absolute integrity. Ensuring that my work is guided by the principles of safety, quality, and the public good. I commit to accountability for and for our beloved Bulacan State University. Cheers.
Bawal daw kay Larry.
Kaya mo ba?
Yes, sir.
Saksakan sinasabi ko sa inyo.